And remember the director, the county director of education, Mr. Churchill said that in Bungoma we have slightly more than 15,000 children who are out of school. Can you
And the government has tried to put on programs that will encourage this. You know, in Kenya now we operate under free primary education, free day secondary education, so that the education is made affordable for all children to access it.
We'll use all the mechanisms that we have in the ground as the Ministry of Interior to ensure that we get all the children who are out in this county back to school. It's alarming. The figures are just as elaborate as it is.
Some of the children could be involved in child labor. Some of the children could be lacking basic necessities. So these are the things that we're going to address and give them the psychosocial support they need, and then support with whatever they don't have that we can afford in the program.